Ain't that how them old folks, them old jive turkey? Ain't that how they used to, after, say man, say. Bitch better have my money. You told Hoppo beat me.
Yeah, it's just you and me.
Good morning, folks. How are you doing this morning? Y'all, this is the thrift store stuff that I got. Cute, sexy. It has a bit of color in it. There's black, my favorite. This right here should be super sexy, hopefully. And then there's another black. So, yeah, I washed and dried these overnight so they wouldn't mess up. But they're a really good quality brand. Like, this is like Fashion Over. And I think this one is Fashion Over. This one is Fashion Over. This one is Forever 21. So I hung those to dry after I got finished doing my laundry. Today is pretty much wig day for me. So what that means is I am about to get prepared to bulk record my wig reviews. So yeah, let me take this trash out. So I'm about to take this sea moss because I need some energy, guys. I definitely need some energy. I just said I was gonna stop recording like this. Still doing this shit. So yeah, okay, cause I'm all over the place. I usually drink it with orange juice, but all I got is tea right now, so that's all right. I'm just gonna take my sea moss. And at this point, I need y'all to get some sea moss, honey. Like, so we need to be taking our sea moss on the daily together. Okay? Y'all not finna just sit here. Y'all not finna sit here and have me taking this sea moss by myself. Sister, okay? That's what we not gonna do. We wanna start working out because y'all know that since we are pretty much like, we're not necessarily quarantined, but this new way of living to where everybody is kind of just staying in the house, really not doing too much. You know, we've become accustomed to not moving around a lot. And with that being said, I'm pretty sure even if you haven't like blew up like me, I'm blowing up, child. I'm sure that you experienced some type of weight gain, and so now we have to learn how to find new ways to be active in this new age way of living right now. I'm gonna call it the mask phase. So while we're in this mask phase, it's not, people are more reluctant to go to gyms and work out, or to just go outside, period, when you can still go outside and do a good workout, guys. So I'm gonna try. I do have a gym down at my office. I don't know if it's much in there, maybe like treadmill, dumbbell, stuff like that, but that's enough to get started. So sometime this week, I definitely want to get into that because I'm tired of being out of breath. I'm tired of not being able to breathe at night, honey. I am tired of being out of breath coming up these steps. And now, granted, I am on the third floor, but good God, like I'm tired of my heart beating so fast because I got too much weight, because naturally my body has always been skinny. If I can find some pictures, I'll try and put it in there, but I've always been like a stick figure. So for me, all of this right here, child, like, it ain't working out like it's supposed to. So let me stop talking because y'all know I be wanting to have a conversation all the time. Let's just try this out. Here we go. You told Hoppo beat me. That's how I feel. All right. We got our sea moss in for today. I wanted to do, I got some tea. Y'all know the last time I showed y'all my tea bags up here. Well, I went to the Outage. So I went back because I was fulfilling some orders. Remember I told y'all these teas, the herbs and stuff, I'm going to start providing them. They're going to start being available. So I've already done a test run, and a few people back home ordered some. So when I went back home, I took them that. So they called me yesterday just so hyped up about like the relaxation tea and how much it worked, the energy teas, how much it worked. And now we're talking about the sea moss. So I told them, I was like, I'm trying to tell y'all about these teas and these herbs and this sea moss. Y'all think it's a joke when it comes down to natural ways to make your body feel at tip-top shape, natural ways to heal your body.
It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far, I'm not sorry.
Yeah, that used to be my birthday turn-up song. My birthday is in March, guys. So March Madness, ooh.
I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, but you gonna be sorry.
Okay, good people. So, I am done with my makeup. Y'all like my makeup? Girl, I don't really know how to do makeup. I just kind of do whatever I feel like is kind of pretty on my face as I go along. I don't know the whole technical things about it, but I know what kind of might flatter me, and it's all kind of like trial and error. So I think I'm going to do this little lookbook for Valentine's Day. Look, y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do a little look for the people in the back that don't know how to do makeup like me. If y'all want to see how I bootleg this look, comment down below and I'll do a separate video on it. But it's a cute little sweetheart look for my wig lookbook. So I'm about to get to work. Y'all, do y'all care whether or not I show y'all how I actually like customize the wig, or you just want to see how it look on? Let's get to the point and tell me about it. Where do I get it from? How does it feel? What the construction of the cap is? Like, what's important to you? Let me know. Comment down below, because I'm not trying to waste my time on stuff y'all want to watch. Y'all already know how this go by now. Check it. Dig it. Ain't that how them old folks, them old jive turkey? Ain't that how they used to have to say, man, say. Bitch better have my money. Let me stop running back and forth in this bathroom playing. I woke up super late today, guys. Like, I woke up at about like, ow. Yeah, but I woke up probably about, ooh, look at that lighting. Girl, gorgeous, darling. That's the only problem, though. The only problem is this little stand thing don't be tall. Girl, y'all, it's so beautiful outside, but look at this lighting. Like, let me go do these hair reviews while this lighting is giving me mother. So check it. Don't mind me, y'all. I got on kids' little boxers and some shorts. So I have all of these wigs to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to start on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 wig reviews to do today. So I'm about to go ahead and pop that out. But my question is, do y'all want to see start to finish, or do y'all want to just see finish? Okay? Let me know. Let me get started, because I woke up at like 10:30, 11 o'clock, which I don't ever wake up that late. But Ken said I was sleeping beautifully with my little teddy bear. So I believe her, because I don't know. Let me just start recording and let's see how the hell this turned out. That's how I roll. That's how I roll with my life. That's how life goes. Just go with the damn punches, child. Okay, y'all, bye. So, y'all, right now I'm sitting up. Have my ring light. I've been thinking it takes so much. It really don't. Or maybe it's just me. Like, I want to have a super simple setup. As long as I got my light, I got my chart, my phone holder, I got my little chair that I got my bar stool, then I'm good. See? Boom. Look at that setup. I was gonna turn this into like a little room. Keep the door open and then like come in here and record. I look white as hell like this. Of course, I would need to change the light bulb, because, baby, it is not giving. Y'all let me know if y'all think it's too much of a small space to be doing the most. Because I was just going to put a chair in there and a light. But it's all good because when I get ready to move into this house, I hope that, well, let's claim it and manifest it. When I move into this house, it's going to have a 4th bedroom where I can actually create to make my YouTube room, or it's gonna have like a bonus space or some type of bonus room that I can make my YouTube room to where I don't have to like take down the setup and put the setup back up and all that kind of stuff. Don't nobody got time for this. So yeah, guys, boop. Okay, let me do my job. Do y'all think even when you unplug the Alexa that she be still listening in on the conversation? Y'all, I had some sea moss today and I mixed it. Let me turn on the light so y'all can see me looking like a granny. So listen, I turned on my lights today. Shit, Teddy. Damn, girl. I feel like an old lady using this selfie stick, but I really like it. Let me put it in there. Ooh, hey, baby. Trying to hang my little head cover up. I just got finished washing my hair and re-braiding my hair. That's my baby. Hey, Fuda. Why? It's snowing. No.
Go outside.
It's freezing. Yo, look at your little nose. It's red. It ain't snowing outside yet, is it? It do look a little frosty out there. And Kid talked about going somewhere today when she, honey, who? I guess I'll be hibernating, but baby. So, I guess it's supposed to be snowing. Soon. The boys said that they don't have school. Well, Sincere said that they don't got school on Monday or Tuesday because they expecting snow. So, let me see what my stuff looking like in here. Let me take you down, your body like, oh, oh, oh. Your body's like up and down. Is it done? Is it good? I don't know why this don't want to be done, because it's too cold. I'll just put on a robe. It's kind of cold in here, so I'm about to put on Ken's robe. I know I need to get my own. She get my stuff. I got to turn that heat up to 74 because it is freezing outside. No wonder why it's been cold, because clearly it's about to snow. So I got me a salad. I should have got some with it. Like I should have got, not on my bed, and I just got finished. Here's my salad. It looks so good. It's gonna be so good. So I'm about to eat. Look at Ken. Got me this big old, well, she got me these two. Y'all, look at one of my early Valentine's Day gifts from Ken. It's a big bear and a little bear. She got them at 2 different times though. Along with that card right there. Along with this box of chocolates. And she got me them flowers. Ain't they gorgeous? I love them. I was mad at her, so I didn't tell her thank you. I wasn't being too nice. I did tell her thank you, but you know, I love them. I love me some flowers, even though I'm allergic to them. Even though I'm allergic to flowers, I really still like flowers. So let me eat. I say hi to y'all. Hey, what y'all doing? What y'all doing? So I'm waiting for my comforter to dry. I just got finished cleaning up the house. I already washed my sheets and my pillowcases and stuff like that. I'm waiting for my comforter to dry. I washed my hair. I braided my hair. car so loud. I braided my hair. Look at all them pictures the kid got over there. Lord help me, God. I'm not the one to post pictures all over the house, but you know, I gotta compromise, right? That's what I'm doing. Let me see what's going on YouTube, because I ain't watched YouTube in a few days. So let me see who got some new stuff out. But yeah, I'll check back with y'all a little bit. Get close to you. Get close to you. Now what is this? What is this, y'all? Hey. Hey girl, hey. This bonnet y'all, the bonnet is getting too big. Apparently, I need to go and get me little outfits that I can throw on when I need to just run a few errands. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna be a little mismatched today because I think I done got too thick for my jeans. So it's pretty much the day before Valentine's Day, guys, and I need to try and go get Ken some stuff. Okay, so I'm at the mall. I'm at Katie Mills Mall again, as usual. About to run in here real quick. Try my best to find Ken some earrings and see what else that I can find. It's really not much I done heard her talking about. I might get her some cologne. She really loves smell good stuff. So I'm gonna go and see what Gucci got. Yeah, I'm finna see what Gucci got or what kind of smell good colognes that they got. I know it was one from Victoria's Secret that she said she really liked too, so I'm probably gonna go in there really quick. Just kind of keep it simple, because if y'all know Ken like to smoke, and I done spent a lot of money on this that I'm about to do for her. So yeah, she gonna take whatever she damn get. But yeah, so darn, I came in at the wrong part of the damn mall. Okay, yeah, let me figure out what I'm gonna do. Good morning. So y'all, guess what? We're snowed in. It ain't really no snow. It ain't like no big, huge snow like they freaking out about. Yeah, we got a little bit of snow in Texas, and they having a whole fit about it. Things are shut down. School is shut down. I'm making breakfast. Our lights was out for maybe like 3 hours yesterday night, so we had to deal with that. Kendall went outside in them darn flip flops. I'd be laughing if she slide and fall. You can't see nothing. Hey y'all, so we snowed in, just trying to make some dinner. Ken back there can't reach the top shelf because she's too short. Cause she too short. Oh, Ken, it's ice everywhere. Ain't none of these cars moved. A few of them moved on the side, but most of the cars is just sitting there. They said, I'm not going nowhere. I've seen like 2 trucks go on. Y'all, it's cold outside. I'm gonna see if I can open up the door so y'all can see. Damn, I done locked myself in. Y'all see it out there? It's too cold. I can't even be out there like it. Anyway, so we're trying to get some dinner put on. We're gonna do some stuffed. Jesus. We're gonna do some stuffed potatoes, fajitas. Ken is whipping it because we about to get some cupcakes too. I need some of that spray stuff so the cupcakes can come out of the damn skillet and not break apart. It's in the morning. I'm trying to brush my teeth in the dark.
I done made it this far, I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. But you gonna be sorry. I'm not sorry.
Guys, we are in line for Starbucks. We are getting halfway up. upstairs, but it was literally like wrapped around the corner. They don't really have lights there. It wasn't a full generator, so I have to show y'all when I walk in there. Yeah, I've never in my life shopped in the dark. Never. So can we not get the sandwich meat? You work here? Yes. So can we not get the sandwich meat?
So this ain't no good either.
No. I know he said no refrigerated. Right, like can we, no sandwich meat at all?
Anything perishable is no.
So we're not allowed to get any type of freezer food. But they don't got it covered up. I'm gonna ask when I get up there. This paper towels, where's the tissue down there? I get this part, this food and stuff with like, so they telling us we can't get no type of sandwich meat or nothing, y'all. Like, what the hell? Okay, Ken, we got to come up with something. Some peanut butter jelly, some, do they got some, what's the color packet? We got enough, so.
I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry.
Yeah.
This far, I'm not sorry.
I don't even think this is even healthy. Everybody mad cause I'm getting selfish. Why you really mad? Cause I kept the two-seated. And it's me, myself, and I, and it's too many people down. I just saw the movie like it's belly ache. I'm too busy eating, got a belly ache. Ooh, I just want my cheese kinda straight. Wait, maybe we can celebrate. I just hit 11 straight. Ayy, I'm about.
How much is that? $1. Good job. Good job. Nah, this is crazy. I ain't never.